Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between verdant mountains and flowing rivers, there lived a cute little girl named Lily. Lily was as adventurous as she was kind-hearted. Her twinkling eyes matched the sparkle in her smile, and her laughter was as contagious as sunshine breaking through the clouds on a gloomy day. Lily had a unique friend, a panda named Pogo. Pogo was a fluffy bundle of mischief with round, curious eyes and a penchant for bamboo munching. He had arrived in the village one spring morning, and as soon as their paths crossed, Lily and Pogo had become inseparable. One day, Lily and Pogo decided to explore the mystic forest that lay on the edge of their charming little village. It was said that the forest was enchanted, and wondrous things happened to those who ventured inside with pure hearts. With a bag full of snacks and a heart full of curiosity, Lily led the way into the forest, with Pogo ambling closely beside her. The forest was a place of mystery and delight. Everywhere Lily and Pogo looked, vibrant flowers danced in the gentle breeze, and the trees, tall and majestic, whispered ancient secrets to the winds. They wandered deeper, leaving little footprints along the lush path. Suddenly, Lily noticed something shimmering behind the thickets. It was a tiny, magical pond, its water sparkling as if infused with stardust. "Oh, Pogo, look at this!" Lily exclaimed with delight. Pogo waddled over and sniffed at the pond, his nose twitching with curiosity. As they gazed into the water, they were shocked to see not their reflections, but a magical scene of their village, showing what appeared to be a future festival, full of colors, music, and happiness. As Lily and Pogo watched in wonder, a talking butterfly flitted to their side. "This is the pond of echoing dreams," the butterfly explained with a flutter of its wings. "It shows visions of joyful moments yet to come. Share this vision, and it may indeed come true." Excited and inspired, Lily and Pogo decided to bring the vision to life. They returned to their village, and with boundless enthusiasm, shared the marvelous spectacle they had seen in the pond with everyone they met. Lily helped organize the festival, planning games, music, and decorating the village with colorful streamers and lanterns. Pogo, ever the entertainer, became the star attraction, performing playful tricks to the delight and laughter of all. On the day of the festival, the village came alive, just as the pond of echoing dreams had shown. Everyone, young and old, danced and rejoiced under the twinkling night sky, celebrating friendship, love, and the marvelous adventures that life brings. And as Lily and Pogo watched the skies light up with fireworks, they knew they had created a memory that would be cherished for years to come. Together, they'd shown that with a little imagination and lot of heart, dreams were not just meant to be dreamt, but created hand in hand with friends as cherished as Pogo the panda.